In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out your soleus muscle. And in this example, the only thing that you need, I've got a step up here, but you can use a stair or just a general step. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take one foot and bring it in the middle of the step or stair that you're using. The opposite leg, so your standing leg, is going to be facing forwards. So both feet are pointing forwards. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this leg straight, the leg that is my standing leg, my right leg. This knee, my left knee, is going to bend. And as I bend, I'm slowly coming forwards into the stretch. Where I start to feel this is just below my calf muscle, so just below my gastrocnemius. So if my calf muscle is here, the soleus stretch that I'll be feeling is a little bit lower, maybe even into the Achilles tendon. So once you establish that you've got the position, you start to feel the stretch lower down on that leg. You're going to hold that for your desired amount of seconds and sets, and then you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So coming into both feet pointing forwards, I'm going to lean forwards through my right leg this time. I start to feel the stretch here, and I'm feeling the stretch just below my gastrocnemius muscle. And remember, the soleus muscle sits just behind that gastrocnemius. That is how to do a soleus stretch, and in this example, using a step or a stair.